Hello everyone, nice to see you. This is Fiona from ratchetshoes.cn. Yeah, here is my detailed information. We are the biggest supplier in China. We offer wholesale price, free and faster shipping, also nice gift. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. Okay, today I'd like to show you Authenitc Air Jordan 1 OG black gun shoes to you guys. First, you can see the box. There is a big Nike's logo on it here. And also you can check the side. So here, it's the biggest logo. And open the box, you can find a white paper in it that can protect your shoes won't be dirty on the way. Okay, let's turn to the shoes. As you can see, this pair of shoes almost with the black color. Okay, first let's check the shoes quality. Yeah, as you can see, there is somehow on the strong. Yes. And also you can check the shoe size. It's all with the black color. And turn the side, you can check. Here is a bigger logo, and also you can take a closer to here. Yes, it's like a print. And turn another side, you also can check. Okay, turn back. And you also can check the shoes tag. Here you also can check. You also have a logo on it, and you can push it. It's very soft. Okay, check inside. Inside you can check shoe size here. Here you can check exactly. Also you can see a big Nike logo in the sole. Okay, let's turn to the bottom. Bottom is very clear. You can see here is a big Nike logo. Okay, let's quickly check another one. Yeah, as you can check, the quality is really amazing. If you wear it, it must be really cool. Okay, thank you for listening. If you have any questions, please don't forget to contact me. I will give you wholesale price, free and faster shipping, also nice gift. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.